Hi guys, looking at the current scenario, we are going to talk about the immunity boosting foods which will help you for a stronger well-being. I have specially planned this in 7 simple steps. So step number 1 are the anti-inflammatory food, step number 2 are the antioxidants, step 3 are the detox water, step 4 are the nuts and the seeds, step 5 are the non-caffeinated herbal drink, step 6 are the proteins, and step 7 are the probiotics in your daily diet. So you just have to implement the 7 simple steps in your daily routine. Let's understand these steps in a detailed form. Let's start with step 1. These are the anti-inflammatory drink which consists of this anti-inflammatory powder which is specially homemade with about 8 to 10 ingredients in this, and it has haldi which is curcumin, that's an anti-inflammatory property in haldi, the turmeric. Along with this there is some soft powder and lot of jeera powder, some dry ginger powder and lots more carry on. So this we are going to add a teaspoon of this powder in hot water, add some 1 teaspoon of lemon in this and just settle it for about 30 seconds. And your drink is ready. So this you can consume early in the morning, which will aid your digestion and which is again alkaline in nature. So it's good for your digestion basically, and it would be helpful for your acidity and bloating problem too. Now comes the antioxidants. These are the vegetables and fruits which basically you have to consume in your daily diet regime. Then comes the detox water. The detox water is actually, you can just have a sip of this throughout your day. So at least prepare 1 liter of detox water and have it throughout the day. This can be prepared with like some mint leaves, some lemon, some cucumber, there are some chia seeds also. This detox water would help you for a better digestion and it's alkaline in nature, so again it's very good for your gut health. Then comes the nuts and the seeds. The nuts and the seeds got good fats into it, so it is basically increases the HDL in your body. Yeah, then comes step number 5, which are the herbal teas like chamomile tea, green teas, any of the green tea which is non-caffeinated, which aids in your digestion and also increases the metabolism in your body. So you're supposed to have this 30 minutes after any of your meal. Then comes the healthy proteins like the soya beans, these are the beans, tofu, there's some of the lentils which you can consume throughout your day basically. And guys, something very interesting you should know is that your 70% of your immunity is controlled by your gut, and if your gut health is healthy and it is efficient enough, it basically helps to boost the immunity. So basically the immune system is made up of cells and the WBCs and along with it some of the proteins. So if the protein in your body is good enough, it basically helps to build up the immune system, and so your immunity is going to be boosted. Then comes the step 7 and the last step, which is very, very important, are the probiotics in your diet. So one of the examples of probiotics is curd. It's very important to consume this in your daily diet regime. So friends, along with healthy diet, it is essential to inculcate exercise, good sleep, meditation, yoga, lowering stress, and include creative activities in your daily routine, and be happy. So guys, hope these 7 simple steps are going to be very easy for you to implement in your daily diet regime. We can just revise it very quickly. Like, let's start with an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. Step 2. Step 3 is the detox water, nuts and seeds. Then comes the herbal tea and some healthy proteins. And the lastly, very important, are the probiotics in your body. So basically the probiotics, the prebiotics, the anti-inflammatory food properties, the antioxidants, the detox water, the healthy proteins are essential, and which is very easy for you to basically implement in your daily diet routine. So yeah, eat smart and be healthy. Thank you everyone.